I double pegged that whole rail. I'm Josh Betley. That's my bike. It's really good. My frame is a felt Battle Snake. I like it a lot because I designed it. I'm obligated to. In the front of the bike, I've got felt gribble grips, the felt bigger wheelie bars, 8.75 rise, and the FB CNC stem. I like the front end of my bikes like my women, you know. It's pretty big, but there's bigger ones out there. I have the felt PC headset in the clear. I think it looks pretty cool. I have the and 23mm forks. 23, you know, like Michael Jordan's number, and there's that Jim Carrey movie that one time. I have Duo tires. I think they're Will Stroud's signature tires. He gave them to me at one point, so they're probably his. For wheels, I have a Claw hubs and some Alex rims with some dope spokes. I've got the felt Pyre seat on a OG McNeil post. It's from quite a while ago, like way before like Kevin Crowley was even on the team. I run a KMC 510 chain and Odyssey JPEGs. I also got the felt PC pedals on the felt Ballpark bossless cranks. They're pretty different than me. I actually like the Boss Springsteen. And I got the prototype spline drive sprocket that I'm testing out. That's my bike. Thanks for checking it out. Hope you liked it. If you didn't, then I apologize. I'm sorry that you sat all the way through this video. And sucks, you'll never get those 3 minutes back.